Hey, hi friends, welcome to DIYs with Nosh. Today I'm super excited to participate in the Chic for Cheap challenge hosted by Christi Creates. My inspiration is the above picture, this one, which is from Wayfair. It's an abstract wall art panel priced at $186. Now let's see what I come up with. What I've used are exactly these, the straws. These are plastic straws. I've used this photo frame. It's incomplete, doesn't have a backing, and some cardboard, and also some contact marble paper. So let's begin. So the first step is I've spray painted these straws, the drinking straws, in black. The reason I've done this first is because it takes some amount of time to dry them up, because I'll be painting the other side as well. And then I'm going to use this contact paper, the marble contact paper, and adhere it to the cardboard. I've cut the cardboard size as per the frame size. Different people use have different techniques to apply the contact paper. This is the one that suits me best. I'm going to use a napkin, or I think it was a sock that I had used, a woolly sock, just to kind of take that's the one, to get the bubbles out. And once that's done, I'm going to cut the corners, just the corner bit, and then adhere the edges like so. And now I'm going to place it inside this frame. Do you know, I always go through the Facebook marketplace, and there's a lady who gave me a bunch of these photo frames for free because she just wanted to get rid of them. So this is free as well. So as of right now, the only thing I probably spent on is the spray, and the contact paper, which is from Dollar Tree. So right now I'm just kind of planning or deciding how I'd like to place the straws, which have dried up. And there's no hard and fast rule. I love this craft because it doesn't bear any inhibitions. You can just about use your imagination to kind of go and do any abstract design as you please. I mean, for all you know, you could just do a square as well, and that's fine as well, because it's about how you want to express your creativity. So I really, really, really love this craft. Very easy. I've used hot glue to adhere these straw, and I'm using a small scissor to kind of remove the blobs of hot glue which peep through it. Yeah, and that's just about it. Honestly, I can't tell you just how easy this craft is. And I think one of the things that I like the most is that no matter which position, this is a rectangular photo frame, picture frame, but no matter which side you look at it from, you're going to see a different image, and that's lovely. It's just, I mean, I find that very lovely. Yeah. So the one at Wayfair was $186, and of course it was metal. That's a bar and a panel art. This is I have given it a spin. That's the inspiration I used, and I've just kind of placed it in a frame where I felt the frame would give it more dimension and define it better as well. So that's what I've done. And yeah, so that's just about it. If you enjoyed this video and if you liked it, please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and please don't forget to leave a comment so that I know that you've liked it and what you liked about it. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you again for visiting me today. See you then. Bye bye.